Hello Management 474 students. This video is about how to search for peer-reviewed journal articles using the library webpage. So what you want to do is go to Longwood University's library homepage, and you'll be able to scroll down, and under Research you'll see Databases and Journal Finder. Oftentimes you can begin with databases. There are a list of good databases to search on, posted in a Word document on Blackboard. Google Scholar is a great place to start. So go down, click on Google Scholar. I oftentimes recommend going to Settings and changing the default number of options you can see per page to 100. Click Save. Then you can go in and type in search terms. So let's say you're doing something that relates to workplace safety. You can type in workplace safety, spell it correctly, and you can see here that you get all sorts of results, and you can scroll down and find a variety of different articles which might help with your paper. So for example, I can see here there's a result. It says Workplace Safety, a meta-analysis of the roles of person and situation factors. Okay, let's click on it and see what it's about. Alright, so right away you can see that there's an abstract here. Here's the reference information that you need to cite your to put in your reference section if you decide to cite the paper. Then you can read the abstract and see if this is going to be of use for your paper. If it is, then you can go ahead and track down the paper. Oftentimes you'll be able to find the full text immediately, or you can access it by submitting what's called an interlibrary loan request. And I'll show you that in just a moment. But basically, you can scroll down, the page and see if there's any other articles that are of use. Oftentimes I recommend looking through the references of the article that you found to see if there are any useful articles cited in the reference section. You can also look with each one of these references to see who's citing them, and if you find an article that you love, you can click on Cited By, and you'll find a list of, in this instance, 20 other potential papers that have cited the paper that you really like, and so that's a good way to find some additional references. So if we go back to the library homepage now, let's say we find an article we love but it's not immediately available. You can go down here to Interlibrary Loan, log into ILLiad, click on Article, enter in the journal title, the volume number, the year, the page numbers, and the title of the article, and click Submit. And the wonderful folks at Longwood University Greenwood Library will track that article down for you and send you an email when they've found it for you. Now you can also come down here to Journal Finder, also in the Word document on Blackboard. In addition to a list of different databases you can search in, there are a list of different peer-reviewed journal articles that you can search within explicitly. So if you're having a hard time finding a peer-reviewed journal article within a database, oftentimes you can come here to Journal Finder and type in the names of specific journals. For example, there's a journal called Journal of Business Ethics. There's Journal of Applied Psychology, which has a lot of articles related to things like motivation, commitment, counterproductive work behaviors, and so forth. There are also peer-reviewed journal articles that are more oriented towards practitioners, such as Harvard Business Review. And if you want to be 100% sure that you found a good peer-reviewed journal article, those are all, that Word document includes a list of excellent journals to search within. And as always, feel free to shoot me an email or come by my office and we can chat if you're still having trouble finding journal articles. Thanks and have a great day.